Technique 69. Slides between the toes. Thumb and index finger slide between the toes towards the dorsal and the ball of the foot and back. Technique 70. Toe rotation. Gentle circles with thumb and index finger from the first toe joint to the tip of the toe. From the big toe to the little toe. The other hand supports the foot. Technique 71. Toe snap with index and middle finger as a song. Technique 72. Foot stretch. The palm of the same hand is placed across the dorsal, fingertips around the edge. Light pressure with the heel of the hand creates the stretch and a slight twist of the foot. Switch hand and repeat. Technique 73. Foot rotation. The supporting hand is still at the heel. We interlace our fingers with the toes, fingertips resting on the dorsal. First rotate inwards, then outwards. Technique 74. Ankle rolling. Technique 75. Edge rolling. Technique 76. Slapping on sole and heel with the dorsal of our hand.